Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. This is the best Christmas gift ever. Because I am sure this one can sing. Sing something for me. Hear me, I say to you.
No.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride, I know.
I don't know.
You don't know your ride, man?
I don't know that.
You don't know that jingle bell?
I don't know that the truth.
Which Christmas song you know?
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, and the very last time you gave it away.
Hold on, me no know. No, that sounds like a love song. You said a part that make me hear it. I really don't know it. You don't know it?
I don't know it for true. But that's a sing a song. Come on, I stop.
Anyway, look here. I am wishing you all the best for Christmas. I invite you to ship with me.
Yeah, make a ship with it.
I remember me know where you live, you know. So if you don't do it, I go come find you. You have anybody that big up a foreign?
Well, but that's some big up my family them, is it?
Which no special family?
What if a family?
You have anybody that big up a yard?
Everybody. Just big up everybody. Big up my fans them.
Talk to me. Big up your fans them. Big up. Real superstar that, you know. Yeah, big up everybody. There you have it on the Christmas run. Bigging up everybody.